During the 1700s, lobsters were so plentiful that they used to wash ashore on Massachusetts beaches in piles up to 2 feet high. Lobsters were considered the poor man's chicken and primarily used for fertilizer or fed to prisoners and slaves. Some indentures, servants even revolted against being forced to eat the meat, and the colony agreed that they would not be fed lobster meat more than 3 times a week. As the American rail transportation system began to develop, it made it easier for people to travel from state to state. Train workers realized that they could serve lobster to passengers because it was plentiful and cheap. Unaware of the negative stigma that was attached to these crustaceans, the passengers believed they were eating a decadent food and began requesting lobster even when they weren't on the train. Amazing how perspectives can change once you can make money from something